Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send mass emails with HubSpot. Let's get started. First, go to HubSpot.com, click on Login up here, and this action will lead you to your HubSpot homepage. Here on the left panel, click on the Marketing option, then click the Email option from the side menu. In the Email tab, click on Create Email from the top right, and this side tab will open where you will select on the Regular option. This will open a new tab where you can edit your email, and you may also choose to use templates HubSpot has made available to you so you can easily set up an email. After that, click on Send or Schedule from the navigation menu up here. In here, you will select your recipients. You will choose which of your contacts you want to send your email and which of them you don't want to receive your email. Lastly, click on Review and Send at the top right corner. And that is how you can send mass emails with HubSpot. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.